The problem with Bootstrap is when you have your own unique design and you need to implement it into Bootstrap template library. Well, in essence, you're using your design and you have a Bootstrap library, so you need to combine it. How are you going to do that? Well, you of course need to know how to write markup and CSS very, very good. But in end result, a lot of companies, when they want to scale their application, use pattern library. Pattern library is in essence combination of design and created into form like Bootstrap. So you have, this is a pattern library of Lonely Planet site. And you can see here there's a lot of similarities with Bootstrap library. You have buttons, you have, let's say, tiles, and badges, cards. So it's very similar to Bootstrap library. What's the difference? Well, they're using the Lonely Planet pattern libraries using styling of their own brand guideline. So their own fonts, their own colors, and it's organized. Everything is organized. And if they want to change something here, they change it and it's reflected on all pages on their site. So it's kind of a way of changing the basic Bootstrap library and making it into something that's more in line with your brand. Let's check out the markup. We can see here for standard button on Lonely Planet pattern library, we have class button and this modifier, button link blue, button medium. So we have the basic styling, the modifier regarding the color and size. Pretty similar is organized also Bootstrap. We have modifiers regarding the basic button class, the functionality that includes color, and we have styling regarding, similar as in Lonely Planet, to size. So it's similar in the way. So if you want to build your application and scale it, I think that's the best thing to learn first Bootstrap and what are the principles of Bootstrap. And after that, implement your own personal pattern library. So what do? What's the best way? What's the best practice when writing code and making it scalable? Do you need to use Bootstrap library or something else? Do you write your own code or use some kind of framework of writing code like object-oriented CSS or BEM? Well, it depends. If you want to be truly professional front-end developer, you need to learn everything that's here from scratch, from bottom to top. So markup in CSS. But if you're just developing some kind of proof of concept or prototyping stuff, and front-end development is not your goal in career, then you can use Bootstrap library. But to create a fully functional designed website that has their own brand guidelines implemented, you need to be expert front-end developer who has the knowledge of basic CSS and advanced levels of CSS that are either block element modifier kind of oriented or object oriented CSS. So my recommendation is, if you want to learn front-end development from back to end, you need to learn this first. After that, Bootstrap library or some other library for structuring code, and after that you can try it out and create your own pattern library.